Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can accept friend requests from other users. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will be taken into the main menu. Now, whenever you receive a friend request while you are in the home page, then you will get a pop-up notification where you can simply tap on the tick mark to accept their requests. But if you don't respond within this time, then this will be accumulated within your friend request section. In order to access this, just tap on the Friends tab at the top right corner alongside the gear icon. This will now take you into the Friends section. From here, tap on Friends at the left side and then tap on Requests at the bottom right corner. You will now see all of the friend requests that you have received. You can tap on the tick mark for the individual people that you would like to accept the request of, or you can tap on the cross mark in order to deny the friend request. If you wish to accept all of the requests, you can tap on the Accept All button, or also refuse all of them by tapping on Refuse All. After choosing your desired option, the friend request will be accepted or rejected. After you have accepted the request, their profile will now appear within your friends section. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to accept a friend request within the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.